Cold water crashes onto my head, and I've never felt more alive. This isn't just a swim in a beautiful place, it's an ancient Balinese ritual called Melukat, a profound ceremony to cleanse the body and soul. We're at Taman Beji Griya, a sacred waterfall sanctuary tucked away near Ubud, which only opened to the public in 2022. It's a place where spirituality, nature, and Balinese culture merge most deeply. To begin the ritual, our guide hands us the traditional temple attire, a sarong and sash, and a kanang sari, a small woven offering basket. It's prepared with flowers, incense, and a cookie.
It's a holy water, yeah? Purify your body before you go to the temple, yeah? One more. Okay. And this one, Ratu Bagus, the guardian of the whole area on this place. Put the offering, present the offering to Ratu Bagus with one of the incense and one of the offerings. Yeah?
And with that, our ritual begins. We left offerings and our prayers to a host of deities. We honored Shiva, the supreme god, and Ganesha, the god of wisdom, then paid tribute to the elemental forces. Then offerings went to the great feminine powers, the ocean goddess, the goddess of knowledge, and the goddess of compassion and love, as well as the guardian of nature. Our final, deepest honor was reserved for Mama Bali, the island's great mother. We descend a series of mossy steps, and the sound of rushing water grows into a roar. This is the gateway to the sacred cave, a powerful waterfall cascading over its entrance. To continue, we must pass through the falling water, a first cleansing before we can enter the heart of the cave.
Keep going all the way. Pass the water all through.
Walking through that passage was unreal. The air was thick with incense, and in the darkness all you can hear is the roar of water. That first step into the cold pond, with the waterfall pouring over us, it just washes everything away. Inside, in the quiet darkness, we honor the father of medicine and the symbol of parents.
That one, Ratu Lingsir, father of the medicine, and symbol of your parent, the father and the mother. You put 3D offering, also you can make a wish for your health, your body, your soul, and your mind, for your family, your partner, and someone you love. Yeah? Put the offering and do your wish.
Emerging from that sacred cave, you already feel a shift. That first blessing was about preparation, but now we head to the true core of the Melukat, the emotional therapy. In Balinese belief, water is the ultimate purifier. It's a living force that doesn't just clean the body, it cleanses the soul of mala, spiritual impurities, negative energy, and old traumas. This whole ritual is a journey, a water crossing, to consciously release what no longer serves you and to call in what you need. The first waterfall is for release. We were told to bring all our anger, our sadness, any depression or pain, and give it all to the water. Under that pounding cold spray, we just screamed. We yelled and let it all out, and the force of the water felt like it was physically pulling that weight from our shoulders. It's a raw, primal, and incredibly liberating release. Then you step under the second waterfall, and the energy is completely different. This one is for pure joy. After emptying out all that pain, this is where you fill yourself back up. We danced under the spray, we laughed, we embraced, just celebrating our love and this profound sense of happiness. You go from releasing to receiving. With the water rituals complete, we head back for the closing ceremony. The ritual ended with a final blessing. Our guide baptized us using holy water, coconut water, and rice, each symbolizing a special blessing. We completed the final cycle, head, drink, face, 3 times each, then thanked Mama Bali and applied a fragrant cream to our heads. We were then given a tricolor bracelet, red, white, black. This bracelet is a powerful symbol of continued protection and spiritual boundary, and we were instructed never to cut it. The Melukat ceremony is a powerful journey into tradition and self. We arrived with burdens, and we left cleansed, renewed, and feeling lighter. This is the enduring, beautiful spirit of Bali. We're Sam and Sarah, and we feel so grateful to have shared this Melukat experience with you. It was truly one of the most powerful things we've ever done. But now it's your turn. Have you ever had a moment that felt this sacred? We'd love to read your stories. Tell us in the comments where you were and what you felt.